Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you also about food cravings. Remember the last one we talked about candida, and I said to you in my next video is going to be another food cravings because there are 3 of them, and I'll be showing you how you can remove it. My name is Aisha, and I'm a qualified nutrition and weight management consultant. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove your food cravings, which is food intolerance, which is the second one that gives people crazy food cravings. And if you don't remove it, you're not going to be having an easy ride with the weight loss journey that you embark on. Because what will be happening is that, the food cravings will be there. You can lose the weight, but then you're going to end up yo-yo dieting. You're going to put it back. But in this video, I'll be showing you what to do so that you can eat as much as you like when you want to eat, and without having to count calories and without having to eat less. And if I can point it all out to you also that, one of the ways you get crazy food craving is by calorie counting, which I have talked to you in my other video. And you should not count calories at all. So let's jump into it. Like I said, there are 3 medical conditions that gives you uncontrolled food cravings, and they're extremely common, these 3 conditions. Maybe you have developed one of them or even all 3 of them, and they make your weight loss journey really, really hard to overcome. And it causes you food cravings, and it turns you into a food addict. And you can see on my desktop here, we got 3 of them listed. The last time, like I said, we talked about the first one, which is candida. And today it's time for food intolerance. What is food intolerance? It simply quite means that you are not able to tolerate a particular type of food, which you eat too much. You may not notice it, but because you like to eat a certain food very often, and your body will be ill, will be telling you it's too much, but you don't know, and you keep on eating it over and over and over. And it's different from food allergy. So don't mistake it with food allergy. Food intolerance is different from food allergy, whereby it's life-threatening. Like people get nut allergy or strawberry allergy. It's not the same. Food intolerance simply means you're eating too much of the same food too often, and it's making you ill. It's giving you that crazy cravings, whereby your body cannot cope with it. And usually people eat certain type of food that gives them this food intolerance. They like to eat dairy products, like to eat wheat, corn, eggs, soy, peanut, sugar. All those, like you can see here on my desktop, they will be giving you food intolerance. People like them so much, and they do give food intolerance. So avoid them. And also, when you have food intolerance, another danger of it is that it does make you really, really unwell. It can give you bloating, it can give you nausea, it can make you go to toilet too often, diarrhea, loose stomach. It can give you fatigue, it can give you headache, and also stomach pain. You'll be having stomach pain, and much more. Is really, really bad. You should try as much as possible not to have this condition, because that means you'll be having cravings. And when you have cravings, that means your weight loss is going to be hard. You're not going to be able to lose weight because you can't keep off the same food that you eat. Or you can lose the weight and then you'll be putting it back. So with the food intolerance, how do you treat it? It's simple. Yeah. So what you need to do is to find out what is it that you're eating too much. Yeah. And try to avoid it. Avoid eating that food. Yeah. So find out what is it you are really, really crazy eating it so often. You can do without, maybe morning, afternoon, sometimes even evening, every day, and locate that food and identify it and give it up. Yeah. Don't think you're just going to give it up like that with nothing to eat and it's going to be harder. Of course, yeah, you can miss it, but what you can do, like I have put some diagrams, some pictures on my desktop, is to eat real food, unprocessed food. So you stop eating what you are eating too much, yeah, that is giving you the crazy food cravings, that is making you put on weight, and then you eat real food that are not processed, like you see on my desktop. So you swap it over, and usually it's not for long, it's only for 5 days, and you get rid of it. Sometimes it can get a little bit longer than 5 days, depends on an individual, because we are all different. So just persevere. 5 days or maybe even 4 days, you get rid of it. But as soon as you start 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, it will ease up. So just persevere with it, yeah. And I've come to the end of my video, because my videos usually are short and sweet and sharp, so that you don't get bored, yeah. Okay then, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. Also, what I want to ask you is that please give me a thumb up and a yes or no if you think you are willing to put in the effort to remove your food intolerance, if you have got it, yeah? Because it's in the way, it's an obstacle, and it's stopping you losing weight. So give me a yes in the comment below, yeah? Comment section below. Or if you think, I don't want to, so give me a yes or no. Or if you think also, I don't have it, but I'm willing to put in the effort not to have it, yeah? Please comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that you can promote it for me. And thank you very much if you do that, yeah? Okay, and another thing is that I will see you in the next video, because I'm not going to talk about the last food cravings that you have medically. There's another one. There are 3 medical conditions, like I say. We've talked about 2 now. The next one is going to be the last one. So in my next video, I will see you there, and I will be talking to you about that. You get all that together, and you know what? Your weight loss journey is going to be great, yeah, and easier and faster. 5 days, you notice that you've lost weight. 5 days, you see that the pounds have come off. So persevere and do your best. Take care now. Bye-bye.